Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a subdomain in Hostinger. So quickly, what you do is once you are under your dashboard, what you do is you can go to a website or hosting, and but you can choose which domain you want to add a subdomain to. But I'm going to click here, hosting. So let me choose this domain, for example, and you see it has jumped to hosting here. So down here on the left, what you do is you see you click this small arrow there to expand domains, and then you see here it says subdomains, and we're going to say HR, for example. Now this you can choose a custom folder for subdomains, but we are going to click create. So as you can see, the subdomain has been created. You see the subdomain hr.thisdomain.com, and then the directory is here. So it's under home here, and there you go. So same thing, if you want to delete it, you just click under actions, you just come here and click delete, and it's going to do just that. Okay, so that's how you add subdomain in Hostinger. See you next time in another video. Bye.